birthday. It's my cousin's birthday and magpasya lang kami around the city. Say hi! So, first drink, this is the Nola foam. Let's try. I'll rate it, I'm gonna rate it 8 out of 10. So, this is what I order. Color is okay. Okay. What did you order?
Matcha latte.
And I ordered hojicha.
Sabot.
Yeah, and it's sabot. Okay, let's swap. Diba? 10 out of 10.
The matcha?
Thank you for the treat.
Birthday boy.
Birthday boy. Really? Thank you. Kung sino man nag-treat, thank you.
Like 100% our first sip, first taste. First reaction.
Oh! I'm having flashbacks.
To be honest, it's really good. It's got that saltiness. It's got that little bit, like a hint, like a whisper of nuttiness.
He's lying, guys. It does not taste. It has no taste. No taste at all. It's like water. Again.
Sa airport na mga picture, siya gibutang niya ang
Water.
tsura niya, ang ulo niya.
Say yeah, hey.
Hey,
Yeah, hey.
yay!
Yeah, hey.
Not just taking a lot of photos right now.
May tubig, oh. Uy! Ah! Is that
Taste test in water.
Taste that's your water. Are we done?
Yes.
Banana!
Okay, matcha.
Wait, matcha pa matcha. Oh, Ujicha? This is?
And matcha.
Taste test.
After 2 years, graduate na nila.
It's better than my coffee.
No yum.
Mag-get ako ng ano.
This is better.
Oh, it tastes like sushi.
Kung kahit saan.
Sushi? No, it does not.
No, it tastes like the green tea that they serve in sushi.
Ah. Overall, rating
10, 8 out of 10.
of this cafe?
Yeah. Vibes is 10
Five,
out of 10. Hold it like this.
Tita Wen, ano masabi mo?
I'm not a fan. I'm a matcha lover.
Mine is Nolan. This is Nolan Cold Foam. And I love it. Ano ba yan? Barko?
Oh, nice here kasi pwede ikaw maglagay ng dinner mo so na mag-tansya ng syrup mo, I mean. Pwede na ako maging barista.
So guys, tingnan mo guys. Twinning sila. Di sila nagplano ha, pero twinning.
Oh, no filming. Wow. Hi guys, nagsakay kami ng tram. Tapos, dapat ako nahulog sa stairs.
Start the clip here, charing.
Hi!
Okay, so we're going to
The ferry.
the ferry. Oh, just a mini takeover. Transalog. Because, yeah. So, crazy. Oh.
We're getting some really good angles We are in IFC Mall. And we are right now walking to the Central Pier.
In Tagalog.
Nalakad.
Naglalakad.
Nalakad kami.
Papunta.
Papunta sa yung Central Pier.
Perfect. Galing.
We are in Central Pier, 7-star ferry, and we're gonna go on the Star Ferry to Simsa Choi. Over there.
So hello, we're I don't know. We're heading somewhere to eat. Me is very hungry. It's rumbling, guys, and we're walking right now in the streets of Hong Kong. Nag-rain. I don't know where we're going, but basta gutom na ko. Guys, by the way, this used to be my house, but I sold it to one of the guys.
I actually donated it because I'm a really nice person.
Oh, bro, thanks. Ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Rafa. Kuhay ka na tindog? Ano? Malapit kita. Ilang man na? Fantasi ko ginamaya mo sa ibang bansa.
We are going to Citron. It's an awesome, very low-key bar, jazz bar.
What the heck is this place?
Antik lagi.
Thanks for the treat.
No worries, of course.
Welcome to Ocean Park.
Ta-da!
Follow me.
Let me check.
Lamig pala yun.
Oo. The best feeling ever.
So guys, vlog takeover. Look at these kids. Hala nila. Same pa sila ng color coding. Grand Aquarium. Ayun ah.
Ay, dito. Ay, walo. Sige daw. Rare species. Good. Ay, masyado na-enjoy kasi tulog yung mga panda. Magkagat lang ko?
Hindi,
Ano man?
isa yan. Pahuli pa yan. Guys, I met my boyfriend. Say hi. Check me po yung ano.
Wala, aray sa likod mo.
Oh, dito.
Aray ka, ano?
Date natin. Hambol ko, gin. Kain niya ang tinapay.
Video ko, nakuha niya ako tinapay.
Hindi kayo lang po yata. Hindi daw yung magdati ko dito sa Hong Kong, guys.
Oh guys, basta na ako guys.
Saan masyado? Ito lang, oh.
Oh my days.
Sa mga delikado na mga ano, huwag kayong magkala.
Delikado, bitch.
Diyan. Ay, urong din. Kaya na kasi na pwede. Close.
Wait lang, yan ako.
Walang Chen. Chen, upo. Upo, Chen.
Ulat lang.
Ang video lang ba na?
Video mo ganito siya?
Hindi ka mo gara-gara, be. Sit down kayo, be. Kaya picture.
1, 2, 3, smile.
Kiwi, wala doon.
Sagad sila ma! Ulat lang! Nag-ride sila! Tingnan mo! Nag-roller coaster sila!
Ay, Jesus. Kayo, Chen. Lord.
Wala mama! Mama!
Chen, ay, Chen. Mga gara-gara ka mo ba? Ay, Chen, ay. Hindi na ito magbala. Ay, Jesus Christ. That's not my Christ. Nama, ano?
Ano? Tatama!
Mali siya, Lord. Abi ko tong gamay lang kaina nga itong nabog.
Tita, hindi ka makulbaan kaya wala pa na rin sa may nahulog.
Kana, hindi ka ganun. Sige ka mo na. Lugtog ko ni kay Kana ba?
Ano ni Peryaan, kamlanga. Dininog ang mga kadina.
Kana daw. Nay lang. No. Gamay. Ay, Jesus, Lord. Mayan yun lang. Wala sa amin nag-aabri sa bintana. Diba? Yan na. Pero wala. Gamay lang. Ganit ako ginang kamera mo, ha? Hindi. Mabiyag. Kiana! Twisted na bata ni si Kiana, ah. Karinit, ah. Dito na ka o dalawang sa sunod, Kiana. Pag sa inyo. Hindi ka pwede mag-behave, Kiana.
Nervyos!
Nervyos. Ano na ba? Ano na nila? Miss Denny. Miss Denny.
Hey guys!
Look guys.
We're going to ride.
Oh my days. Hello guys. Oh, kasaka siya ko. Hello guys.
Hindi, wala eh.
Safety first.
Ay, not allowed?
Not allowed.
Ah, okay.
Ride and this is you're done!
Wala kami gipayagan mag-video.
Tita Inday, survive!
Kaya pa?
The ride! Susuka ko!
Hi guys, it's our day 4 here in Hong Kong and we're going to Disneyland. Hi guys, currently we're in Disneyland and it's raining. No. Ano masasabi mo na sa Disneyland ka na? Wow! First ride, Frozen Ever After.
我在这边当场宣言为啥旅途中会遇到。
Pauwi siya, no?
Hey! Oh my days.
Oh, holy days.
on a snowy summer day.
I'm set the act of true love.
Makes sense. Relaxing in the summer sun.
Baon. Ay, mahal na rin.
Kung ano?
Tayo ko siya. Kaon ta, ma'am. Sige. Tingka mo.
Mahal.
Balik ta?
Marami ko na hauhing fun eh! Yeah!
Oh my days! Rat kid kami. Legit.
Start to. Start na to. Sa reaction lang. Oh, reaction.
見到所有嘅朋友仔，係咪好開心咧？
Hindi, promise, tiwala! Tiwala lang.
Uy, ulan!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my days! Oh my holidays!
Ay! Yun na yun! Yun na yun!
Yun na yun! Yun na yun! Hindi ako umabot ng 1 minute. Hindi ako umabot ng 1 minute. Tapos di pala umabot ng 1 minute. That's crazy. Not recommended, guys. Swear to God. Bye. It is right.
Bye!
Bye, ride. Ito ng pass. Ooh, this is nice.
For me to introduce you to your pilot today.
We're partner for this ride.
大家坐好，战车即将
Bang,
启
bang,
动。
bang, bang, bang. Uy, grabe!
Welcome to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Ano ba ni tita?
siya nga, uy, kaya na, okay ka pa? Uy,
Ba
kaya
kanina?
na, okay ka na.
Kanina pagtapos ng back.
Nothing is more important than our friendship. If I were a rich man, we'll go on this way forever.
Hindi may na ako. Babe lang naman ni mama natin. Oo.
Ay, wish ka ka doon.
Thank you, Lord. Hello everyone, it's day 5 of our Hong Kong trip. So this is my fit for today. Sweater from Chen, black pants from Shein, Serious Joe, and my Hirono plushie. And for my shoes, magsamba lang ako since isa lang na pair ang dala ko for this trip. And mag-buy pa kami ng shoes later sa Citygate. Hindi ko alam actually ano i-buy ko. Pero let's see.
Hello guys, this is fit check for me. First, we got some shades. Tapos, shirt from Ukay. Shorts from my dad. Shoes from, I don't know where, some shop in the Philippines. Tapos, accessories. And, wait, my bag. This bag, the only bag that I dala from the Philippines to Hong Kong, yun lang. My rating of my outfit is 34 out of 55.
May nakalimutan ako sa fit ko guys. Glasses from Sunny's.
Yeah, Shopee lang na guys, sa tikagat na.
Hatag ko pa ang receipt, final receipt. 5th day na niya tita. 5th day. Bilis lang no? Extend.
Hello guys, fit check. Shein, Shopee. Uy, nakita ko.
Brief from okay.
Face card from my parents.
Bye, mag-alis na kami. Hi guys, so we're going to try. Nag-try na siya. We're going to try the famous egg tart from Bakehouse. This is my 3rd time trying it. Let's go. The best.
Parang leche flan ang gitna yan, no?
The best kid siya.
Tart nga. Eh.
So for the drinks, we ordered matcha latte with sub oat milk. Wow.
I'm gonna try the sausage roll. 3, 2, 1.
Anong grade?
So kaya, ate. Dumanumbag mo. Tilawan mo na?
Hindi, at least ano siya, it's premium. 8 out of 10. Mas better if medyo sweet siya konti. So the second drink is the passion fruit coconut sparkling cold brew. Grabe.
Last reaction, sarap kaya.
Hindi ko bet.
Okay, vlog took over. So, right now, bili kami ng shoes! Banana! Ang ganda sa ano.
Hi guys, vlog takeover.
Hello everyone, so this is my haul. So I bought 2 shoes and 1 top from Uniqlo. So first is Adidas. I bought this one. Fur siya guys. Ito oh. Boots with the fur. For my second shoes, I bought Puma. This is Puma Black Strong Gray. Ito siya. Yun lang for my shoes. And then, for my Uniqlo, I bought this top. Kasi on sale siya. Washable knitted polo sweater short sleeve. Color olive. It's so nice. Yeah. So, yun lang. Yun lang nagasto ko for today. Hello everyone. So, today we're going to Agad. Hi guys, mag-eat na kami. 150.
Maloy!
Apoy na ang yaya. Ako sa salo.
Hindi niya tanan nga Victoria's Secret model.
Para sa inyo, magbakal ko sa lubong.
Rafa's back.
Going to Kowloon Walled City, and that's just so, yeah, gonna be cool. I've never been there actually, so I'll experience this with you.
May kami chicharon.
Sino to?
Sino to? Wow, ganda ng...
Dali na. Dali na gani. This is love.
Hi guys. So currently we're in Shake Shack and I ordered BBQ sauce chicken and both of us ordered the smoked Shake Shack single.
Tastes like water.
Banana!
I got the avocado chicken thigh bacon burger.
Useless. Me and Dodge has the same order.
Hi guys, we bought milk tea na tag.
38
Hindi, convert.
38
Almost 300 pesos. Basta ganun. And then, bestseller siya guys. Curious kami sa taste niya.
Tapos same pa talaga kami ng order. Tatlo. Si
kami,
Rafa lang
same.
yung nag-iba.
Tapos ang size guys,
One size.
ay malaki. Sabi namin smallest. Malaki lang meron sila. So ito ang gibay namin. Pag tila. Kanina pa kami nag-crave ng milk tea.
I mean
So,
like the
nag-buy
whole
kami.
entire week ako kayo nag-crave talaga ako ng milk tea.
Then, excited na kami.
Mm-mm.
Pag try yourself.
May pae. Tigali siya, hindi siya milk tea.
Ari. Pa-check ko anay kung tama niya. Ayan, buli ko. Ano na siya mo? 2, 3.
Ano siya, te?
Matraining ko sa photography.
GC, ano na, GC? Group na tayo. Sige na.
GC.
Group chat.
Group chat picture.
Nakuha mo naman na. Ha? Hangak na. We're going to the peak. It's couple, but it's worth it. Look at this. Yan. Look at that. Downtown Hong Kong. Pretty nice. This is the wall. And this is the railing. And this is the kabagdutan. Okay, and there's the monkey over there. They're heading towards there. Circle. Circle of life. Hong Kong Genesis is the Latin word for Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Okay. Now.
Mag-office ko karon ta sa diyo.
Hong Kong Genesis.
Ano ang ano na
Hong Kong.
Dito parehas lang ang view.
Ilang picture lang. Ano lang Lay naman yung view background. May laya naman yung kahoy. Picture kami.
Wow, first time nga wala nagreklamo
Hug ay hug.
Ipataas naman.
Pasaas magod natin. Hindi magod na itsura. Pati
Hello. Kay kung amon ko ni.
Ana. Hindi
Okay na wala ko sa photography skills.
Para kay daw tripod ang kamot.
Maligo na karon sa gabi. Kay para buwas diretso sa airport alas 7. Kaya pasok na pilintas ang aeroplano. Wala na ta kwarta. Nabili sa Hong Kong. Naubos na dali sa Hong Kong. Balik na ton. May mga trabaho na kamo. Kamo naman mag-treat ka, tita.
Sige.
Kaya noted.
Noted.
Pero kung gusto ni Kuya Amir,
Shout
Kuya
out.
Omid,
Shout out.
Kuya Omid, isama mo ako ulit. Masaya ako kasama, Kuya.
Yeah.
Kami man.
Mapod kami ha.
Saba ko, my God.
Pok na siya.
Oh, I like the view.
It
like
only
the view?
looks better in person.
You're the best view.
Check this out, guys.
No, use the Filipino accent. Check this out. This is from peak.
Tagalog only ha.
Talagang maganda nito. Dito.
Useless.
Kasama ko si Sebastian Conrad Javier.
Ano?
How is it so fast? What the heck? Bastos! Magandang ulit.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi ulit, kababayan.
Before pa, sabi niya, kaya naman ikaw mag-Tagalog, fake English.
I can't do that. Why does she sound like me?
Hindi klaro.
Mas kalibang one.
No. Huh? You're pooping. Natatae ka? Ay, we were just talking about this. Tara, let's go.
Okay.
Tara.
Ama.
Nahulog. Hindi ako. Never mind.
Drone shot.
Human drone.
Ano ba no?
Kali. Pero hindi. Kala mo lang yun.
Pero hindi.
Children!
I'll always love
Uy, alas 6 no gid. Alas 6.
Let go.
And the view. Ako na lang.
Faster, pali. Yan na wala na tao. 1, 2, 3, go. 5 lugaw.
Ano ta liwat?
Có xinh cầu đó. Xinh có lô cầu. Ano dyan ba? Kapila ka ginagawa na hindi ka mag... Masarap.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
This time check, it's 10:05. Ang flight namin 12:30. So this is
Kaming boarding gate guys to be announced pa. So
yeah, so and ngayon, wala lang, nag-wait lang kami na flight na namin. So what can you say about our Hong Kong trip? Rate it out of 10.
I will highly recommend Hong Kong guys. It was very amazing. Wala na may describe. Pero yeah, maganda ang Hong Kong guys. Maganda ang people, mababait, accommodating, hospitable, caring, loving. Charing.
Yeah, I would also recommend it. Iba talaga siya sa Philippines. Like legit talaga, like legit. Culture shock kami sa mga things na meron sila dito. So I think this is gonna be the end of our vlog. Recommend mo sa mga people?
Ang Hong Kong, ang airport, hindi ko mag-recommend kay Libog. Hi! The trip to Hong Kong is so amazing. It's great. We would like to thank Tita Wen and Rafa for guiding us and for the accommodation. Ganda ng mga sites sa Disneyland. We went to Macau. Pero ang airport, nalibog. Manervyos naman. Dako-dako. Di na-gate kami karon. Lord, please help us.
So this is gonna be the end of our vlog. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!